Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a cake which is delicious and really easy to make. Plus, it's super fast. In a bowl we add 2 eggs and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Then let's mix it with a mixer. After, add 5 tablespoons of flour and 5 tablespoons of dried milk and 1/3 of a tablespoon of soda, and let's mix it again. When the mixture is done, let's spread it out on a baking paper. And we send it into the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now, when it's all done and still hot, take out the paper. Let's cut the cake into 3 pieces. Now, let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, add 500 milliliters of yogurt, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 pack of thickener, and mix it after. Each layer of cake, we add the filling. The spare cake pieces, let's cut them into small cubes or mince it, and let's add some gummies, some cacao powder, the cake pieces, and also the gummies. This way you decorate the cake. And this is the result. If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.